Alright guys, so we got the rear completely done. Trailing arms are on. New sway bar. New rear sway bar. The S3 arms. We also have the Sandcraft limit straps. And then our local dealer, 106 Motorsports, hooked us up with MTS off-road suspension. Their full kit, including the dual rate spring kit and valve kit for the internals. The rear came out super good. Got the S3 pull plate with their trailing arms and radius rods. Back up a little bit. Now we just got to get this car detailed and take it for a spin, see what she's like. But she is looking good. Talked the customer into, we were one of like the first dealerships on the West Coast to get these new fuel Ken Block wheels. I think they're the Block 43 UTV wheel. Super nice wheel. We decided to put the fuel gripper RT on it. Came out really nice. Move up here to the front. Yeah, we just got to clean it now. The front. Got a few more things. The guy wants the light bar. Hasn't done one yet since he's had the car, so we're doing the Baja Designs 40-inch curved on the roof, and then he doesn't know yet if he wants to do a shock tower light or not, since we don't have access to putting a light on the front bumper. We'll probably do a shock tower if he feels like he needs it. That's basically all this stuff right here. Oh, and the rear camera, we still got to put the camera in. So, came out super good. I think the customer is going to be surprised when he sees how much taller this sits and where it should truly be at. But man, it looks good. Cool. Once we get this thing cleaned up, we'll take her for a rip, see if we can't get the camera on that just so we can see how well the car performs. But yeah, we'll be back here in a little bit. All right, see you.